If you recently bought the Tecno Spark Slim, congratulations. Now, if you're planning on buying this smartphone, you're in the right place, and it is also a very good choice. Now, if you borrow this smartphone, please return it after watching this video, because I'm going to give you pro tips and hidden tricks on how to maximize this phone, and also the pros and cons, so you know what this slim beauty can do. And having used it for weeks now, I'm going to share all of that experience in this video. So don't go anywhere. Let's get started. The first impression you get when you pick up this phone is the design. And this phone is called Slim for a reason. Almost extremely lightweight. For now, it is the slimmest smartphone amongst others. The back has a premium finish. This phone's display is a 3D curved AMOLED display. Very colorful for viewing media content and also gaming, and also scrolling through apps and social media. Now, here's the pro tip number 1 for the display. You will need to switch to gesture navigation instead of button. Now, this will reduce accidental presses and make the phone feel faster. So head into the settings and then scroll down to system and then gesture navigation. Now, you may have noticed or not yet, but you know that this phone's display is really visible outdoors. And this takes a toll on this smartphone's battery, especially if you're someone that uses the phone consistently in this heat or you're outside. Don't worry, it's not going to explode, but your battery will suffer. So I'm going to give you a pro tip that will not only save your battery, but also prevent it from exploding and also last longer too. So go into the display and brightness in the settings, turn on the adaptive brightness, and then turn off high brightness mode, and then scroll down to screen refresh and keep it at standard 60 Hz. Now, this will not only give you long time battery, but it will also preserve the battery of this smartphone. And speaking of preserving the battery, another interesting feature of this smartphone is the mood light. Now, you know that everything on this smartphone is powered by the 5160 mAh battery. While this adds to the beauty of the smartphone, it is also taking its share on the battery of this smartphone. I'm going to give you a pro tip to customize this mood light and also maximize the battery of this smartphone. It is functional for notifications, when you're charging the phone, and also for voice assistant. Now, here's a pro tip. If you must use the mood light, use it for silent notifications. So if you're in a meeting or you don't want your phone to ring out, turn off the sound and let the mood light notify you silently of your calls. That way you get to save more battery life, because if this mood light is constantly on, honestly, it is going to drain the life out of your battery. So please kindly turn it off. Okay, maybe in the evening you can turn it on and show off. You know, it's a very interesting feature. But wait though, you're watching this video up until now and you still do not want to subscribe. Why now? Please, can you do it? Because it's totally free. Simply touch that red subscribe button. Touch it right now. Thank you very much. Next up is AI. Now, this phone is packed with AI. Like, Tecno wanted it to replace your ex-girlfriend.
Ending a relationship with a clingy ex-girlfriend requires a direct and clear approach.
You can literally ask the weirdest question and you still get your answers. You get it activated by saying, "Hi Ella," or long press the power button. You have different AI tools available, like the circle and search. So all you have to do is long press the home button to use this feature, and it will explain whatever it is you circled on your screen. There's also the smart translation, and this involves the use of 2 fingers. So long press with your 2 fingers and then swipe down to your selected option. It will automatically translate it for you. Or maybe you're reading a particular part of your screen and you need some explanation. The AI here will help summarize it for you. So all of these are done with ease, as long as you have good internet connection. Another AI tip is you can simply sketch or draw your idea and the AI will generate it into a beautiful result. As long as you can draw your idea, you can also choose how you would love it to look like, and the rest is done without stress. So maybe you're bored and you want to change your wallpaper. You can simply give a prompt on what you want, how you want it, and it is done. And this cuts across to your gallery too. Now, before I show you major tricks on how to use this phone's camera, Let me show you what the AI can do to your pictures. Do you know that after you take a picture with this phone, the AI can help enhance it and make it even more colorful and sharp? All you do is simply click on this icon, AI Sharpness Plus, and wait. The magic is done. You can also remove the part of the picture that you don't want, and AI does the magic. So use the AI eraser and circle the area and watch how it is done. There is also the image extender. You do it without losing the picture quality and more. Now, to one of the most exciting parts of this smartphone is the camera. Now, Tecno did well here, and it is a single camera lens, a 50 megapixels here. Now, let me show you some tricks that can make the result even better. The first thing to do is to clean the lens. Clean the camera lens of your smartphone to get rid of dirt and oil. And then open the camera app and head to the settings and restore to default settings. Especially in daylight, use AI cam mode and then select the 50 megapixels option. Try not to shake your hands. You do the same thing when you click on the portrait mode. Touch your subject to focus and then take your picture. Now this way you're telling the camera that this is the subject to be focused more on, and then the background separation is nicely done. Of course, AI will help to process the picture, but the most important thing is to clean your camera lens first and then steady your hand to take a better shot, and also make sure there's enough light. Now, camera aside, how about the performance of this smartphone? I'm going to give you pro tips and tricks that will improve and also enhance the performance of this smartphone. So whether you're a casual user or you're a gamer, the first thing you need to do is to update the software of this smartphone. And the plus here is this phone will be getting almost 3 years of software updates. Increase the virtual RAM to the max. The processor here is the Helio G200. So you can easily multitask on this phone without showing signs of lags. For example, you can swipe up with your 3 fingers to minimize your current app so you can open another easily. And you can also use the smart panel to open multiple apps or split the screen. No sign of lag. And then for gaming, launch your games from the Game Space app because this will boost the overall performance, especially graphic intensive games. And also if you game on this smartphone for hours, it will not drain out your battery fast. Now all of these tips will improve the overall performance and experience of the Tecno Spark Slim. So you don't feel like it's a complete waste of money. And also if your smartphone supports Android version 15, some of these tips can be very useful. And I may use this smartphone for a while now. I love the slim premium design. And also the AI is very impressive. The camera is good, same with the battery, but not ideal for heavy gamers. And the speaker quality is average due to the slim body. And also the camera struggles in very low light areas. But aside that, if you love a stylish phone that is packed with AI tricks, good battery life, and simple and cool customization, then this phone is valuable for the price. But what do you think? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And also before you leave, please kindly hit on that subscribe button. And also like and share this video if you find it very useful.